Guys, it's Man from Minnesota Mobile and Marine Electronics. In this video, we're going to talk about our barbecue and sound competition that happened. I apologize for the late video. I've been a little tied up at the shop. It's marine season. I've been working on boats. I've had the shop packed with Harleys. First off, thank you to everyone that came and supported us. It was an amazing event. The sound competition went great. The barbecue went well. Big shout out to Carlos for flying out from the States. I really do appreciate it. Shout out to Ricky from Importel and Bill from Importel. These guys came early in the morning on Saturday, helped me set up, stayed till the end. Thanks again, Ricky, for being a judge. I know I put you on the spot last minute, but I do appreciate it. Big shout out to Uncle Paul. He's always been helping me out. He was there early helping me out as well. He was a judge in the audio competition. Shout out to Pino. Shout out to my buddy Ricky for coming up early, helping me out. Shout out to Sil. Thanks again to Francesca, Mish, and Dee. These guys came, supported the event. Again, big thanks to everyone that came out. And big thanks to the guys over at Cicada Audio for sponsoring the event. We had someone win the 4-speaker setup. We're actually working on the bike right now, just waiting for some stuff to come in. We're going to show you some clips of the barbecue, of the sound competition, and some of the winners. Thanks again, guys. I really do appreciate the support. Next year is going to be even bigger and better. Thanks again.
No, I'm born to kill. This is just a thrill. Better step back, back, back. Better step back, 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 back.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're at the last part of the sound competition. The bikes are playing with 10s. This is going to be an interesting one.
Going with the knees, baby, shake it to the max. DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
I went deaf on a bitch. Yes, my, yes, I.